Hello friends. Today we are talking about the most controversial fruit in the world, durian. Imagine a fruit the size of a soccer ball, covered with sharp spikes, like a prehistoric dinosaur. But his appearance is just the beginning. Durian is called the fruit with the smell of hell and the taste of heaven. Its fragrance is so strong that in Singapore, Thailand and Asian hotels it is forbidden to bring it into the subway, airports and rooms. People compare the smell to onions, rotten fish and sports socks after a marathon. Durian is a challenge to your receptors and prejudices. He teaches that real treasures are often hidden behind an unsightly shell. As they say in Indonesia, if you haven't tried durian, you haven't lived. AV gotovi risknut, pasite v komentaria, osmolites li v otkrit, adsko rajski, plod.